warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to our video. My name is Kharisma Rezkidwi Putri. I'm from group 2 and I am speaker 1. In this video, we will explain about three-dimensional object. Three-dimensional object, the object around you, the one can pick up, touch and move around are three-dimensional object. Three-dimensional object has length, width and depth or height. Okay, let's get into our first discussion about cube, cuboid, and cone. Number 1. Cube. A cube is three-dimensional shape bound by 6 congruent side planes and in a square. Cube is also named square prism because it has same base and side. There are 7 characteristics of cube. Number 1 has 6 identical faces. Number 2, all faces meet at 90-degree angles. Number 3, 12 edges which have the same length. Number 4, 8 vertices. Number 5, 12 face diagonal. Number 6, 4 space diagonal. Number 7, 6 diagonal face. Look at the picture beside this. This is the net of cube. 2. Cuboid. A cuboid is three-dimensional shape formed by 3 pairs of square of rectangle with at least one pair of different size. There are 7 characteristics of cuboid. Number 1 has 6 rectangular face. Number 2, the opposite face are identical. Number 3, 12 edge. Number 4, 8 vertices. Number 5, 12 face diagonal. Number 6, 4 space diagonal. Number 7, 6 diagonal face. Look at the picture. This is the net of cuboid. Number 3, a cone. A cone is a curved side shape that resembles an irregular and sides pyramid whose base is a cylindrical. There are 5 characteristics of cone. Number 1 has 2 faces, a circular face and a curved face. And then number 2, a curved edge. Number 3 doesn't have vertex but has cusp. Number 4 doesn't have face and space diagonal. Number 5 doesn't have diagonal face. Look at the picture beside this. This is the net of cone.
Okay, I will continue the material, namely three-dimensional object. First, cylinder. Do you know what a cylinder? A cylinder is a three-dimensional shape formed by 2 parallel identical circles and a rectangle surrounding the 2 circles. See the picture on the side. Do you know the characteristic of the cylinder? Alright, I tell you guys. 1 has 2 identical face. 3 are circular shapes. 2, 1 curved face. 3, 2 curved edge. 4 does not have vertex. 5 doesn't have face and space diagonal. And do you know cylinder is object that has 2 identical base like a characteristic of prism. But cylinder is not a prism because it has curved base and prism has flat base. See the picture beside. The picture is the net of the cylinder. A second, sphere. You know the meaning of sphere? The sphere is one of the curved side shape which is composed of an infinite number of circles centered at one point, namely the center of the sphere. See the picture on the side. Do you know the characteristic of the sphere? Okay, I will tell you guys. 1. A sphere is a perfect round three-dimensional object similar to a round ball. 2. All points of the surface are the same distance from the center. 3. Has 1 curved face and 2 center points. 4. Does not have edge. 5. Does not have vertex. 6. does not have face and space diagonal. And do you know if we take an orange fruit and peel the skin into small pieces, we find that a small piece of orange skin will form cycle. See the picture beside? The picture is the net of the sphere. Okay, the next material will be discussed by Tasya. So keep watching, guys.
Hello guys, meet me again, Tasya Ambarini. In this video, as the third speaker, I will continue the discussion about three-dimensional objects. Okay, the sixth is a triangular prism. Do you know what is a triangular prism? A triangular prism is a geometric shape that is bounded by two parallel and congruent triangles as the base and the top side, and is also limited by three rectangular upright sides. The next is characteristic of triangular prism. Do you know what are the characteristics of a triangular prism? Let's discuss together. Look at the picture beside. Based on the picture, a triangular prism consists of face diagonal, triangular face, rectangular face, edge, and vertex. The characteristics of a triangular prism are: first, a triangular prism has 5 faces consisting of 2 triangular faces and 3 rectangular faces. The second, triangular prism has 9 edges. The third, triangular prism has 6 vertices. The fourth, triangular prism has 6 face diagonals. And the last, triangular prism does not have space diagonal and diagonal face. This is the net of the triangular prism. The next three-dimensional object is a pentagonal prism. The pentagonal prism is a three-dimensional space structure which has a top and a base that is pentagonal in shape and has a rectangular blanket on the side. Characteristic of pentagonal prism. Based on the picture, a pentagonal prism consists of pentagonal face, rectangular face, face diagonal, edge, and vertex. Characteristics of a pentagonal prism are: first, all pentagonal prism has 7 faces. The second, pentagonal prism has 2 pentagonal bases and 5 rectangular sides. The third, pentagonal prism has 15 edges. The fourth, pentagonal prism has 10 vertices. The fifth, pentagonal prism has 20 face diagonals. The sixth, pentagonal prism has 10 space diagonals. And the last, pentagonal prism has 5 diagonal faces. This is the net of the pentagonal prism.
Triangular pyramid. A triangular pyramid is a pyramid type that has a triangular base.
Characteristic of triangular pyramid. Do you know characteristic of triangular pyramid? Okay, I will tell you guys. 1. Triangular pyramid has 4 identical faces. 2. The 3 side faces are triangles. 3. Base is also a triangle. 4. Triangular pyramid has 4 vertices. 5. Triangular pyramid has 6 edges. 6. Doesn't have face and space diagonal. And the last, doesn't have diagonal face.
Okay guys, the picture beside me is that of triangular pyramid.
Next, square pyramid. A square pyramid is a geometric shape bound by a rectangular shape, as its base and several triangular areas that meet in one vertex. Okay guys, I will tell you about characteristic of square pyramid. 1. Square pyramid has 4 identical triangle face and a square base. 2. Square pyramid has 8 edges. 3. Square pyramid has 5 vertices. 4. Has 2 face diagonal. 5. Doesn't have space diagonal. And the last doesn't have diagonal face. Look at the picture beside me. It's a net of square pyramid. Okay guys, from the exploration of three-dimensional object, we can conclude that first, three-dimensional object entails the idea of solid figure which has length, width, and depth dimension and commonly separates the inside and outside part and bounded by any particular surface. Second, some examples of three-dimensional objects are cube, cuboid, cone, prism, pyramid, and sphere. Third, if dimensional object is cracked into two-dimensional figure, then net is obtained. Fourth, the appearance of the net of each solid figure depends on the shape of three-dimensional object itself. The idea of net invites the other concept of three-dimensional object.
Okay guys, don't forget to watch our next video about value of three-dimensional object and its application in daily life. See you!
Ryan Little.